Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is fastest growing G20 economy. India projected as the fastest growing G20 economy in 2024 with an impressive GDP growth rate of 7%. The rankings were announced at the G20 summit in Brazil held on November 18 to 19, 2024. India's economic resilience was highlighted amidst global challenges surpassing Indonesia and China. The summit focuses on addressing hunger, poverty, inequality, and global governance reforms. Now, before moving on to next slide, we have an announcement for you. Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes are now in Noida, Sector 15. Our address is C171/2, Block A, Sector 15, Noida, UP. Near Noida Sector 15 metro station. For location, click on the link provided in the description. For more information, call us at 9311 406 440. If you would like our counselors to call you back, please fill out the form provided in the description. Key rankings of G20 economies. India tops the list with 7% GDP growth rate for 2024, showcasing strong economic performance. Indonesia follows with 5% and China is ranked third with 4.8% growth. Russia with 3.6% and Brazil 3% round out the top 5 performers. Advanced economies like the US, Canada and Australia show slower growth. Germany is projected to perform the worst with a 0% growth rate, highlighting economic struggles. Now moving on to significance of India's economic growth reflects India's robust economic policies and resilience in navigating global challenges. Positions India as a leader in the G20, boosting its global economic influence. Contributes to the global fight against hunger, poverty and inequality, aligning with summit goals. Highlights India's role in sustainable development and global governance reforms, and strengthens India's position as an investment hub amidst slowdowns in advanced economies. Now is the time to test your knowledge. What is the focus of the G20 Summit 2024? Climate change only, hunger, poverty and inequality, technological advancements or trade agreements? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.